This is 88 Pierce Road. It's a really awesome property right down the street from the Cancer Center and Wilson Street. And the best thing about it is it's a two-family and it's completely separate. Usually with two families, you've got, one unit downstairs, one up, and there's noise, etc. The neat thing is it's a house that they added a garage with an apartment above. And so there's nobody below you unless somebody's coming and going from the garage. So it's really awesome. Has a massive lot with some nice landscaping. And the best thing about it is it comes with one of the garage bays. So the garage bay on the left comes with it. Has the auto door opener. We just had an older couple that was only here part-time. They had a home in Florida. They just moved out yesterday. And it has some really neat features. You've got this big deck that is private for this use. The owner is flexible with pets, and they do have a backyard that's fenced, so if somebody had a dog, it's a great setup. The owner has one dog, but it's small. I think the last tenant did not, but I think the tenant before that did, so nice feature for that. And then you walk into an apartment that is modern and again has some unusual features in that it's a one-bedroom apartment, but it's open concept with a big cathedral ceiling and a massive kitchen. They did a really nice job with the kitchen. It's solid granite countertops, has the deep bowl sink. The appliances, the apartment is about, I think, 15 years old, roughly. They just replaced the appliances a couple years ago and had the whole place painted though. So it's all stainless appliances. Cabinets, got like a pantry here with the pull-out shelves. The glass doors are kind of cool. It has its own heat zone. So the tenant just pays their own electricity and internet. It's really massive. Almost everybody's had a table. You could do a bar with bar stools or something, and there's a really big living room. It's big enough to do a sectional and some extra furniture, which is pretty rare with one bedrooms especially. And then on this side, you've got the full bath, which again is real ceramic tile. They've got like a big linen closet with built-in pull-outs. And it comes with a washer dryer. That's super unusual. One bedroom's pretty much, most one bedrooms don't even have a hookup, let alone having a washer dryer in them. And then tub shower, of course. And it's a coring, countertop on this, and the medicine cabinet comes with it. And then good sized bedroom. It's actually big enough to do a king size bed. I don't know if anybody's had a king size bed, but big enough. And then it's also got a walk-in closet. So it's got a lot of space for storage. Everything's, on switches. It's got a dimmer for this room. There's a wall, if you want a wall hung TV. There's a thing on the wall already. And then, of course, electrical panel is there. So that completes 88 Pierce Road, Apartment 2. If you'd be interested, let us know. And do our app right on the Rent Bangor website.